Hi friends, channel likes and subscribe and share friends. Important keys to success. Success. What is success? First you need to know the definition of success. Success is a wide term which could either mean success on national level or an individual level. Today you will be discussing success on individual level. The reason is that success on individual level leads to success on the national level. Success is the state achieved after the accomplishment of the target in life. Steps to success: aim, hard work, mindset, focusing, motivation, inspiration, management, utilizing potentials, taking risks. Aim. The first and the most important step towards success in your aim. Aim depend on how big targets you set in your life. The basis of success starts by setting targets. It is the root of success. These targets are the main reason for which a person lives every day of his life. Hard work. In order to achieve success in life, you need to put in a lot of effort and hard work. Without hard work and determination, there is no success. There are no shortcuts to success. Failure is the only when you stop trying. Mindset. You must develop a mindset which you deficit your struggles for achieving your targets in life. It shows you attitude towards life. It shows how firmly you face the challenges you encounter in your pursuit toward your target. Focusing. Your focus determines your reality. Focusing is also another important key to success. It depends on how sharply you focus on your targets, overlooking the obstacles in your path. Obstacles are those dreadful things you see when you take your eyes off your target. Motivation is the main driving force behind an action. Motivation is the reason why a person want to be successful. When it comes to motivation, knowing is not as important as doing. Certain you need some intelligence, knowledge based study skills and time management skill, but if you don't have motivation, you won't get far. Motivation is the key which starts the engine of the car standing on the highway to success. Inspiration. The word inspire means to influence someone by examples. The reason why inspiration is important for success is that it stirs you to action. Different people get motivated differently, but mostly motivation is achieved through inspiration. It ignites you for further advancement. It motivates you to achieve your targets, your aims, your goals, and your ambitions. Managing your life. It depends on how you manage everything in your life. Have you developed a good routine? Have you manage time? You need to plan every day of your life. You need to set a time table which would help you in developing a good routine, living up to your potential. To be successful, you need to utilize your underlying potential that God has gifted you. The remote control of your life is in your hand. You can mold your life in any direction you want. You must use your potential in such a way that when you die, you must have this satisfaction that you have lived up to your potentials in your positive manner. Taking risks in life, you need to take risk. The context in which risk taking is being considered here is about to jeopardizing your gain in the achievement of something more valuable. The best thing about taking a risk is that if it pays off, then is quite beneficial for you, and even if you fail, you learn a lot from it. The most successful person is one who is not afraid of taking a risk at the right time. The real success is that which would help you not only in this life but also in the after death. Real success achieved when the targets are set in accordance with the principles of our religions, so that God is satisfied by it. Our success should be such that is leaves an everlasting impression on the world, so that it remembers us with a respect and honor. After our death, our name lives till eternity.